With the decidedly conservative makeup of the current Supreme Court, proponents of the Second Amendment are pushing for the justices to weigh in on gun control restrictions. Lisa Falajatar pled guilty to making a false statement on a tax return. Raymond Holloway received a misdemeanor conviction for driving under the influence. These two Americans have lost their rights to keep and bear arms forever. Their attorney wants the Supreme Court to halt what he calls the drip erosion of one of America's fundamental rights.
The lower courts have gone on their own way and created different tests to apply, which has resulted in just a mess of different opinions and conclusions at the lower levels without any real consistency across the board. Both these cases present an excellent vehicle for the court to address a very important question.
Now, with Democrats in Congress pushing stronger background checks and reinstatement of the assault weapons ban, gun owners are as impatient as ever with getting a case to the Supreme Court to send an unmistakable message on gun control.
I think a lot of these gun laws that are being pushed on Capitol Hill are, in fact, on a collision course and are primed, to make their debut in front of the Supreme Court. And the court is going to have to deal with those.
Amy Swearer, a Heritage Foundation legal fellow, says Chief Justice John Roberts is to blame for the holdup.
The chief has been, I think, very hesitant to take up any high-profile cases that he can otherwise avoid that might end up in this sort of 5-4 partisan-looking divide.
But times have changed, and so has the makeup of the courts. Justices Brett Kavanaugh and Clarence Thomas dissented when the court decided against taking up a Second Amendment case, Thomas notably writing in 2018. Evidenced by our continued inaction in this area, the Second Amendment is a disfavored right in this court. Kavanaugh says the court should address the issue, quote, soon. And the newest addition to the bench, Justice Amy Coney Barrett, is sparking hope in some gun rights advocates based on a circuit court opinion in which she wrote, quote, legislatures have the power to prohibit dangerous people from possessing guns, but that power extends only to people who are dangerous.
Thanks for watching the Heritage Foundation's YouTube channel. With more than 500,000 members, we are the nation's largest conservative research and education institution. We believe the principles and ideas of the American founding are worth conserving and renewing. Please help us further our mission by subscribing to this channel and sharing our videos with your family and friends.